Good morning, students. This video is for class 6th. Topic: Agriculture and major crops. It is in continuation to the two videos which have been sent earlier on this topic. Here, we will deal with some food crops and cash crops. We begin here with rice, which is one of the major food crops of the world. Asia accounts for 90% of the world's rice production. It needs high temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius during growing season and heavy rainfall of over 100 centimeter. It grows well in alluvial soil. The leading producers of rice in the world are China and Bangladesh. In India, we may name here the states West Bengal and Assam. Wheat. It requires temperature of 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Rainfall about 75 centimeter. Well-drained, loamy soil is required for growing wheat. Among the leading producers of wheat in the world are USA and Russia. Uttar Pradesh and Punjab are leading producers of wheat. Millets, coarse food grain like jowar, ragi, bajra are called millets. They are generally short duration, warm weather grasses grown on less fertile and sandy soils. Millets need moderate to low rainfall and high temperature for growth. Maize. It is an important food as well as fodder crop. It requires moderate temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall of about 50 to 75 centimeter and plenty of sunshine for growth. Alluvium and red loam soil are best suited for growing maize. Among the world producers, we may name here USA and Russia. Indian states, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. We now move on to the cash crops. Jute. It is called the golden fiber. It requires high temperature between 24 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall ranging from 120 to 150 centimeter. It grows well on light sandy, clay loam or alluvial soil. Among the producers in the world, we may name here India and Bangladesh. For Indian states, we may name here West Bengal, which is the largest jute producing state, followed by Assam. Tea. Tea is a beverage and a plantation crop. It requires fairly high temperature of 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall between 150 to 300 centimeter, well distributed over the year. It grows in well-drained, loamy soils. It also grows on hill slopes as stagnant water harms the crop and it requires a lot of manual labor. World producers, Kenya, Sri Lanka. Among the Indian states, we may name here Assam and West Bengal. Students, finally we will discuss about sugarcane. It is a plantation crop that grows well from the cuttings of a stem. It grows properly in high temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Rainfall between 75 to 150 centimeter. The alluvial soil, rich in calcium, is ideal for the growth of sugarcane. World producers, Cuba, India, and we may name some more like Brazil, Mexico. The states of Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra are among the states where sugarcane is grown. The better quality sugarcane comes from peninsular India as sucrose content is higher because of favorable climatic conditions. Students, with this, we end this video. Thank you.